Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Kiran Mazumdar show. Number 1. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw is an Indian entrepreneur. Number 2. She was born on 23rd March 1953. Number 3. She founded Biocon in 1978. Number 4. Biocon started in a garage in Bangalore. Number 5. She is the executive chairperson of Biocon. Number 6. She faced gender bias in her early career. Number 7. She overcame many challenges to build Biocon. Number 8. She is a pioneer in the biotech industry in India. Number 9. She has received many awards and honors. Number 10. She is a role model for women in business. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.